Morning, everyone. It's 8:35 on Friday, the 11th of February, and this is your pre-opening comments video number 1148. Okay, Asia and Europe both lower in concert with our markets yesterday. The 10-year, which closed around 204, is back down to about 201. So that's a little bit of a calming influence, although I don't know why. Um, and we have the Canadian issue of, with all of the blockage, Ford says they're thinking about flying in parts to their Ontario facility. The stock, which is down from 26 to 17, is up 6 cents today at 18.14. So that's come down a long way. Another one that's come down a long way is AFRM. Remember, this is the buy now, pay later, which seems to be turning into buy now, pay never. Um, they had a miss. They had several downgrades. The stock yesterday was down 16. These people actually screwed up and reported their earnings early before the close, something that I'm a big advocate of doing, putting out earnings while people have the ability to do something about them. And the stock closed down 16 yesterday, currently 52.22, and that's down another 645, or just under 11%. Zillow went the other way. It closed yesterday 48.79. It is currently trading at 55.15, up 636, or 13%, because they only lost 881 million on their home flipping scheme. Zendesk, which yesterday was up pretty strongly, up 11. It's been in a range of 100 to 120 or so, closed 114, up 11. And this morning is 117 and a quarter, up another $3 and change, because they turned down a $16 billion offer from private equity to buy the company. Um, Under Armour, a beat, top and bottom line, but poor guidance. 1970 down 31, or 1.5%. Cleveland Cliffs. Now this one has me somewhat confused. This is primarily a materials company, and material costs are higher everywhere. I can't imagine they're unable to put this to their users. So why is the stock down on a miss, both top and bottom line? 1945 down $1.50, or 7.2%. And Tom Friedman, who I know is a little bit towards the left, and I don't hold that against him, um, had an interesting commentary this morning about the Canadian issue. And his point is that, yes, people have rights, but yes, they also should bear some responsibility for the decisions they make. And so, this has become a vaccine issue, and things have come to a screeching halt. We do 25% of all of our trade with Canada across the bridge that the trucks are blocking. So, I agree with you, Tom. People should be responsible when they exercise their rights, which seems to be in contrast with the general good. They have the right to be stupid, but the fact is, there should be some consequence to it. Okay, Michigan consumer sentiment comes out at 10 o'clock, and basically the markets are doing nothing. I've seen the Dow down 100 to up 50, currently up 20, so really not much of anything. The NASDAQ up about 20. I've seen that both up and down about 50. And the chart on the screen is the oil, and oil is higher again after this brief pullback off the highs that we were talking about the end of last week. Um, right now, oil is up 1.5%. There's talk that Biden is trying to get more oil and possibly maybe taking some out of the strategic reserve, which absolutely does no good. All right, folks, have a good day. Be careful out there. By the way, I'm looking at both the gold and silver on this pullback to possibly get back in. Have a good morning.